In a world where convenience is key, this Prasky Portable Blender emerges as a game changer for those who lead an active lifestyle or simply appreciate a touch of practicality in their kitchen gadgets. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or a student on the go, this personal blender promises to make your life easier with its blend of portability, power, and design. Here's a detailed look at what makes the Prasky Portable Blender stand out in a crowded market. Prasky Portable Blender is designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Its sleek and modern design is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly practical. The blender features a 27-ounce cup, which provides ample capacity for individual servings of smoothies, juices, or protein shakes. This is complemented by a handy shoulder strap, making it easy to carry the blender wherever you go. One of the standout features of the Prasky Portable Blender is its portability. Weighing in at just a few pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel, gym sessions, or office use. The intelligent safety lock is a smart addition, ensuring that the blender will not operate if the cup is not properly secured. This safety feature is crucial for preventing spills and accidents, particularly when you're on the move. The blender is designed for user-friendliness. The operation is simple, requiring only a few button presses to get your blending done. This makes it accessible for users of all ages and levels of tech savviness. The blender is also equipped with a USB Type-C port for charging, which is compatible with most modern devices. This means you can charge the blender using your computer, power bank, or wall charger, ensuring you're never left without a fully powered blender. Despite its compact size, Prasky Portable Blender does not compromise on performance. It boasts a 70-watt power base, which is surprisingly powerful for a portable blender. 1500 mAh battery provides ample power for multiple uses on a single charge. The blender is equipped with a diversion groove in the cup that helps to form a vortex, ensuring thorough and consistent blending. The blender's blade assembly features high-speed spinning capabilities, which makes it effective at blending fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients into a smooth consistency. However, it's important to note that this portable blender is best suited for softer ingredients and smaller ice cubes. For harder ingredients or larger ice cubes, a more powerful blender might be necessary. Safety is a top priority with the Prasky Portable Blender. The intelligent safety lock system ensures that the blender only operates when the cup is properly attached and the lid is securely fastened. This feature minimizes the risk of accidents and spills, making it a safer choice for busy lifestyle. Maintenance is also straightforward. The blender is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your drinks remain free from harmful chemicals. Blade assembly can be easily rinsed under running water, and the blender cup is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, it is essential to avoid immersing the motor in water to prevent damage. The Prasky Portable Blender offers a generous 27-ounce capacity, which is suitable for making single servings of a variety of beverages. The blender's large capacity is especially useful for preparing protein shakes, smoothies, or even soups and sauces. Powerful motor and 10-blade system work together to ensure a smooth and consistent blend every time. One of the notable features is its versatility. The blender can handle a range of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables, protein powders, and other mix-ins. This makes it a valuable tool for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet while on the go. Pros and cons. Pros: portability, lightweight design with a shoulder strap for easy transport. Powerful performance, 70-watt motor and 1500 mAh battery for efficient blending. USB Type-C charging, convenient and compatible with modern devices. Safety features: intelligent safety lock to prevent accidents. BPA-free materials, ensures healthy and safe drinking. Cons: limited power, may not handle large ice cubes or very tough ingredients as effectively as high-powered blenders. Capacity: while the 27-ounce cup is ample for individual servings, it may not be sufficient for larger batches. Final verdict: the Prasky Portable Blender is a fantastic addition to any active lifestyle. Combination of portability, power, and safety features makes it a versatile tool for anyone looking to blend beverages on the go. Whether you're preparing a quick smoothie before a workout or making a nutritious juice during your work break, this blender has you covered. With its user-friendly design, convenient charging options, and easy maintenance, Prasky Portable Blender is an excellent choice for those who value convenience and functionality. While it may not replace a high-powered kitchen blender for large or complex blending tasks, it is more than capable of handling everyday blending needs with ease. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.